Asignatura Inglés Básica y Nutrición. Matrícula ES 1625269. Docente Alejandro Ariel García Arriaga. Alumna Mary Cruz Hernandez Vergara. Actividad momento 2, unidad 2. What is the health well gift which help you to eat a healthy and balanced diet? Start now. Eating well and having an healthy lifestyle can help us feel better and make a great difference to our long-term health, so we know make a change today. The Eat Well guide shows the proportion in which different types of foods are needed to have a well-balanced and healthy diet. The proportions now are representative of your meal composition during the period of a day or every a week, not necessarily every meal time. What is the Health Well guide? The Health guide applies the most properly regardless of the Queen's dietary restriction, perfection, or ethnic origin. However, it does not apply to children under 2 years old because they have different nutritional needs. But between the ages of 2 and 5 years children's graduation go on to eat the same food as the rest of the family in the proportions shown in the Eat Well guide and not well special dietary requirements or medical you might want to consult on which restriction dietary about to adapt the Eat Well guide to meet your individual needs. What are the groups? The Eat Well guide is divided in 5 groups: fruits, vegetables, potatoes, bread, rich pasta, and other starches, carbohydrates, dairy and alternatives, grain, pulse, fish, egg, meat, and other proteins, oil and spices. When is used the Eat Well guide? You can use the Eat Guide to help you make healthy choices whenever you deciding what to eat at home, cookies, or shopping for groceries, eating out in a restaurant, coffee and canteen, choosing food on the run, and to fill your trousers with a balance of different types of foods. What are the spacing recommendations for age groups? The age which show top proportion of the main food groups can form a healthy balanced diet. Eat at least 5 proportions on a variety of fruits and vegetables every day. Base meal on potato, bread, rice, pots, or the trace carbohydrates joins whole version where possible. Have some dairy or dairy alternatives such as soy drink, choice low fat and lower sugar options. Have some beans, pulse, fish, egg, meat, and other protein, including the 1-2 pounds of fish every week, one of which should be wholly, choosing unsaturated oils and spreads and heat in small amounts. Drink 6-8 cups glass of fluid a day if consuming food, a drink high in fat, salt, or sugar have less often and in small amounts. What about daily carbohydrates? Hydrates are to drink 6-8 glasses of fruit every day, water over 5 meals, and sugar-free drink including tea and coffee and count. Fruit with some smoothies as low going to do fruit consumption, although they are a source of fresh sugar and the so limits consumption near more than a combined total of 150 milliliters per day. What about food labeling? Food labeling flows of prepackaged food have a font left of the font of pack which show the nutrition information per service. They allow to reference instead which tell you how much of each nutrient should be included in the daily diet. The percentage refers to the contribution the product makes to the reference instead for each nutrient. Food labels can help you to choose better food and toppings too. They are lower in calories, fat, saturated fat, sugar, and cell where color code levels are used. You can tell and glaze in the are in medium or low in fat, saturated sugar, and salt for and health choice to topping products with more friends and members and favorites. How many calories per day a person over 11 years old needs? Family 2000 calorías, males 2500 calorías.